OBN, we should be closer than friends. If you OBN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as for the title, you can see what we're making, but I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So you're definitely gonna need your cabbage. Also we use bok chow, but because of everything that's going on, there was none in the store, so we double up on the cabbage. I'm using actually 1.5 cabbage. So you will need your garlic, thyme, green onions, carrots, bell pepper, and you can put hot pepper as much as you need. We can't put that much, so we're gonna be cutting up. It's really spicy, guys. I can smell it. Soy sauce. Dry season you will need is seasoned salt of your choice. We're using Larry, and black pepper, and you can't forget your good old chicken. We're using boneless chicken breast, and yeah. So we're going to be cutting up these veggies and put it in. We show you the finished touch. So you want to make sure you cut up your cabbage. You know, I'm gonna show you a little bit of how we cut up the stuff, and you can cut it up how you want, but let's get started. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason, baby, you're the answer to my prayers, feeling like the world's in our hands, now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free. Oh, that look pretty. Get green rust. This is scallions, otherwise known as green onion. Words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secrets stick with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason, baby, you're the. Make sure you dice up your carrot real small, and be careful when cutting the carrots. So you want to make sure you cut your chicken thin, not too thin, but thin. I'll definitely let you see. You guys know I love my wok. It comes in good and handy. You can cook a lot of meals in your wok. So if you don't have a wok, you need to get you one. So this is how everything is looking. This is how everything diced up, cut up, and looking so far. After you cut up your chicken and you wash it off and everything, you want to make sure you season up with the Larry, paprika, your garlic powder, and we use Jamaican browning.
Not putting much seasoning because we're trying to eat healthy. So not too much seasoning. And you don't want to forget your black pepper. Like I said, we're not doing too many seasoning at all. I just want to tip a little brown in. Wok. We put it on medium heat, and we're gonna put olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. You can use butter, any type of butter you want, but we're gonna use olive oil. And usually we use the unsalted butter, but today we're gonna use olive oil. So guys, after cooking down for about 3 minutes, we're gonna add the seasoning. It look pretty, right? Oh, so pretty. So nice. Can you smell that? Oh. Nice, guys. Looks really yummy. If you want, you can leave it right here. So at this point, you want to make sure you add your soy sauce. About 2.5 tablespoons. Gonna let it just cook down for about another 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna add our cabbage. So this is how you want it to look after about 8 minutes. And then we're gonna put the cabbage in. It's gonna look a lot, but I promise you it's not, because cabbage shrinks. Smells so good, guys. So guys, remember, if you hear the kids are off school, so further notice. So if you hear them in the background, yeah. So yeah, guys, we're gonna leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes and come back so we can stir, because after a while the cabbage is gonna shrink down. So see you guys after 5 minutes. are steaming. Looking down. This is how it looks. You see, it's not that pack and full. It's looking lovely. Ooh, that's steam. Guys, you can pair it. I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce. But guys, you can eat it just like this, or you can pair it with rice. Some do it with dumplings. It's your decision, but we're gonna eat it like this. Look yummy. So guys, if you make this chicken chop suey, please don't forget to tag me in your videos or posts on Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. We have more video coming up. Leave comments below, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Scroll down and leave comments below. Let me know what you like, and if you want to see more cooking video, let us know. And this is our chicken chop suey.